Thank you very much, great journalists. We've been rubbing minds for the past 4 hours with His Excellency, the performing governor of Rivers State, Mr. Project. And I think that this meeting took about 4 hours. We have not concluded. It's always easy to destroy, but to make peace takes some time. But I think we are at it. We are better informed. We've gotten some information. Every coin has 2 sides. So we have been briefed by His Excellency, and so we will go back to Abuja. We'll be going back to Abuja to really digest all that we gathered from His Excellency. And very frank talks, But one good thing is that this family still remains one. We are still under that umbrella called PDP, and by the special grace of God, we will end up very victorious, and we will end up at the villa in 2023 with his cooperation and the cooperation and support of all the other governors, 4 of them. I think we will make progress. There's no doubt about that. Progress was made. Like I told you, we in concrete terms, it's work in progress. In concrete terms, it's work in progress. And but like I said, we will get there. We will definitely get there. Yeah, but this is the first time the BoT is coming, to see His Excellency. And for information, he's also a member. He's also a member of the Board of Trustees of the party. So we came to see one of ours, and we rub minds. We will find a solution to all the problems. Yeah, presidential campaigns have started, and it is the policy of our great party that we will all go home. His Excellency is here. He's campaigning for the party here. I will go to Abia State, where I come from, to campaign. There is no ballot box for me in Abuja. So every one of us here, we're all from one zone or the other. So the campaigns have started. Our governor here is a PDP governor. So, even if he doesn't even come out to campaign, he has campaigned already with all the projects he has given, Rivers State and Nigeria, as we speak. I cannot, I said this yesterday to one of you, one Friday, Apollo or something of the Punch, that I'm an acting chairman of the Board of Trustees of this party. I do not have the exclusiveness to stand here and then tell you what the Board of Trustees will come up with. So we have come here, we are going back, we'll convene a meeting of the Board of Trustees, brief them, then that's when Nigeria will hear, where the Board of Trustees stands. And since it's an advisory body and conscience of the party, we will be there to tell the party the truth and nothing but the truth about our findings.
Just like the acting chairman Board of Trustees has said, peace. What's important for you to have unity, even if it takes you longer days. Yeah. What is important is that the House is united for a war that's coming in front. So the issue of whether they achieve peace today or not is immaterial. What's material? At the end of the day, the PDP is united House. I think that is the message he's conveying. And we have said repeatedly that we are not leaving the party. We have said so. But that does not mean that there are no internal issues that ought to be sorted out. I think what they are here for is to see how they can sort out some internal issues. I think that point has been made. Well, once you're alive, why will you not be hopeful? It's only a dead person that is not hopeful. So being alive is ultimately that you are hopeful. Thank you.